Hey, this is Dylan with NXT Level Insulation.
How you doing, Barry?
Doing well. He's based out of Marshall, Texas?
Marshall, Texas. We do work in DFW, the DFW area, but we travel. You know, we got a job in Bryan coming up.
What do? Do you do the blown-in attics and extractions?
We do extractions, we do blown-ins. We seal up the attic with the can spray foam before blowing in. We do radiant barriers. Just about everything insulation but spray foam.
You just got done working today doing a crawl space?
Not a crawl space. We did a addition to an attic that had about 3 inches. We got him up to an R38, 14.5 inches, and he's very happy with the result.
Very good. Now you own a CM1500HP.
Yes, sir.
So what do you like about your trailer here?
Man, the accessibility, it's a little messy right now, but we're gonna trick this thing out. Cool Machine sells a couple reels and stuff that, you know, it'll fit nicely in the trailer. We had a trailer before this that all we could hold is the blower. We couldn't stand up in that thing, so you can imagine how this feels for us. Here, right now, we have it unboxed. We just got a 22 horsepower vacuum.
Oh yeah, got all your
Yeah, we haven't unboxed everything yet.
Your vacuum saver.
Yep.
It's good to have there. And then the Honda.
Yeah, baby.
Nice.
She's a beast.
Awesome. Well, I'm looking forward to you using it and sending some pictures and video.
I'm excited. We'll send you that next week. We got a big job coming up.
Awesome. Nice to meet you, Dylan.
Yes, sir.